Now?
Yeah, start.
Hello, Professor. Guys, today we are going to present about the digital transformation strategy in the banking industry. And then we are group 3, and then below are our group members. Next slide. Okay, so today we are just focusing on the impact of digital transformation in the banking industry. So on the left side of the image, you can see that through the integration of technologies like application programming interfaces, which is called APIs, and also the robotic process automation, and with the big data, cybersecurity, and also cloud computing, and with the artificial intelligence in the machine learning. So based on this, we are not only enhancing customer experience, but also streamlining operations. So our move towards paperless operation is a strategy step to improve the competitiveness. So by leveraging innovations in mobile apps and also data analytics like AI and also blockchain, cloud computing, we are creating new revenue streams that position us at the forefront of financial technology. So the next person, Neil, will going to present about the challenges.
So I'll be talking about the challenges. The first and foremost challenge that this banking industry is facing is the digital security, because nowadays, due to the new technologies, there are a lot of scams as well. Second is outdated technology. So bankings are using the traditional technologies, whereas the new fintech companies are overpowering them by using modern technologies. Second is cost and complexity. So the, to implement digital transformation, the cost may rise, which banks might not be able to handle, and which can create a complexity in their system. Second is scattered knowledge. So the information about implementing the digital technology in banking industry is very less. That is why it is very difficult for the banking industry to implement the digital transformation. And the last is customer expectations. So with increasing demand, the customers are are demanding more personalized services. So next, Athar is going to take over.
Hi guys, so I'll be talking about the use cases of digital transformation in the banking industry, starting off with artificial intelligence. Based on the historical data that has been used to make the algorithm of the AI, AI can be used for banking industry to make future predictions. This would be in terms of identifying the credit trends in the future, detecting fraud, and also providing customer service in the form of chatbots. Currently, banks are using decentralized finance, which helps them in removing third parties involved in making payments. And also, countries worldwide are moving to coming up with their own digital currencies for the citizens to use, which removes the need for physical currency. Cloud computing can also be used by banking industry to come up with, first of all, outsourcing their servers and also using tools to create solutions quicker. They can also store their data online instead of having it in their physical drives. Currently, banks are investing in low and no code tools to come up with faster solutions, and also they're moving their financial services to the cloud completely. And blockchain can also be used by banks to make international payments faster and also make efficient verification processes of their clients. And right now, we can see that banks are using asset-based digital tokens as collateral against loans. And not only are they using this for financial services, but also for non-financial services such as verification of identities and other operations such as supply chain. Next up, Steffi.
Thank you, Athar. So now I'm going to talk about use cases of Internet of Things. So let's talk about the smart ATMs offer biometric authentication and remote monitoring to prevent fraud and elevate customer experiences. So IoT devices also analyze financial behaviors of customers, influencing products like usage-based insurance premiums and also crafting personalized offers through technologies like Beacon. The adoption of real-time monitoring and sensor-based smart surveillance fortifies the operational maintenance and security as well. Talking about the trends, smart branches are revolutionizing customer access by allowing entry into ATMs for routine transactions even after business hours, enhancing customer experiences and availability. Additionally, the integration of real-time data and blockchain technology is significantly improving risk management and data integrity in the banking sector. Talking about cybersecurity use cases, a robust cybersecurity infrastructure is very important for cyber attack prevention and also for safeguarding customer investments and to maintain their trust and brand loyalty. By adopting AI and machine learning in the cybersecurity technologies, banks are able to protect identity theft and hacking of customer data, at the same time guaranteeing secure online transactions for seamless user experiences. Talking about the current trends, due to the constant evolution of cyber technologies, banks are required to monitor cyber threat and to safeguard themselves from cyber attack. That is why more banks are using cybersecurity with generative AI and machine learning to combat these ever-increasing risks. Banks are also collaborating with third-party companies to get access to the latest technologies in cybersecurity to safeguard their cloud-based platforms. That's about it. And now over to Locke.
Okay, thank you. Let me talk about how digital transformation is being used in banking industry. First, let's delve into AI and machine learning. JP Morgan used deep learning program for real-time fraud detection. It ensured quick mitigation of risk. HSBC employs AI technology in customer service to enhance fraud prevention and detect irregular behavioral patterns, which helps safeguard customer accounts against the financial crime. Moving across to the cross-border payment, Ripple's XRP cryptocurrency allows fast and cost-effective cross-border transactions. Major banks like BMO Financial Group and RBC have already joined this network, which helps streamline international money transfer. Bank of America's cloud strategy has also resulted in significant cost saving. With cloud computing, retail banks can enhance customer connection through personalized message, improving overall customer experience. IoT and IIoT enable real-time monitoring of access. HSBC introduced a robot Pepper in 2019 for customer service to enhance employment reservation and query response. Also, cybersecurity remains paramount. Banks implement measures like encryption and multi-factor authentication to protect customer data. ING, for example, employs Microsoft Defender for enhanced email protection. Yeah.
Next.
Emily, your mic. Your mic.
So we have found that Citibank is the leading bank in the digital transformation sector. It was founded in the United States in 1812 and was formerly named Citibank of New York. Its revenue in 2023 was 78.5 billion US dollars. So what is it a leading bank? Because it's focused on the mobile-first approach in technologies and capabilities that its client need about 2 decades ago, implementing AI, powerful machine learning, cloud computing, and automation. It integrates a rapid and seamless app with easy access for account opening and a 360-degree view of all financial accounts. Additionally, Citibank is constantly keeping up with the current innovation and is aware of the importance of cybersecurity. So it increased 12% investment in the IT department in the first quarter of 2023, and it leveraged the public cloud service adopted from the Cloud Foundry, from the data sharing and the market risk calculations. It supported the Citibank to increase by 57% in the speed of application development and allowing it to promote and release the new products and services more efficiently. Moreover, it focused on the enhancing the identity ecosystem and secure access service edge that combines multiple personal credentials to grant access for the employees to have the access to the sensitive data viewing, and to streamline the networking and security, which also helps reduce the risk of cyber attack, operational complexity, and cost. Now I'll pass it to Men to talk about what's the future of digital transformation in banking.
Yes, thanks, Emily. I'm going to talk about the future trends. The first is banks should embrace the omni-channel user experience by incorporating the emerging technologies such as AR, VR, and integrate with the mobile applications to bridge the gap between the digital convenience and the human touch. And the second point is the exploration of decentralized finance platform. And the blockchain technology can advance the real-time settlement capacities. The bank can use this to make the global trade in a more safe and a cost-effective way. The third is a quantum supercomputing can access a vast unstructured data, so can to simulate optimal investment portfolio, and it enables banks to create and assess over some new financial offerings like a more sophisticated asset management service. And the last point is a continuous effort on the cyber threats prevention, because cybersecurity is a very critical part in the bank financial industry. In conclusions, digital banking transformation is not merely a deployment of new technologies or infrastructure upgrade. It is a major part of the entire strategic plan, which requires a clear vision from the management. And the change management is critical for the success, and the people side is the key. So the leadership push ahead to develop an agile cultural with a people-centric approach, encourage collaborations and communication within the organization, and to respond to a looming emergency of the digital ecosystems. Thank you very much.
Okay, so now it's our FAQ section. So the first question, what are the latest trends in digital transformation within the banking industry?
So that will be, I'll be talking about it. So the latest trends are basically all the technologies are being combined to generate a robust security system and also to provide the best services to customers. More emphasis is given to give ease of access to customers and to provide them with the best solutions to have mutually beneficial relationship with the for customers and banks. So, for example, robots are being used by HSBC, robots called Pepper. That is being, even though it was thought of, that it is too far-fetched, it's actually giving good results. And also other banks are following suit, not necessarily, even if they're not as big as HSBC, because I know of a bank in UAE, they use robots for welcoming, greeting, and for answering basic questions. So the latest trend is basically, even if the costs are higher because of the greater returns, customers are investing heavily on digital transformation. Yeah, that's about it.
Thank you, Steffi. Okay, so the second question, can the AI algorithms be biased?
Hi, Emily. Yes, definitely it can be biased, but that depends on the past data that the AI algorithm has been trained. To overcome this biasness, what can be done is the data that is being used for the training purpose can be diversified to not only include certain regions, but to keep into consideration the entire globe in general when setting up these algorithms. Thank you.
Thank you, Arthur. So thank you, Professor. This is our
Thank you.
presentation for Group 3. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.